My name is A. Durga Prasad. My roll number is 20 BQ1A0410. I am from ECA section. Now I am telling about the what is a DC motor and working principle of DC motor. What is a DC motor? A DC motor is an electrical machine that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. In a DC motor, the input electrical energy is the direct current which is transformed into the mechanical rotation. Definition of DC motor. A DC motor is defined as a class of electrical motors that convert direct current electrical energy into mechanical energy. From the above definition, we can conclude that any electrical motor that is operated using direct current or DC is called DC motor. When a current carrying conductor is placed in magnetic field, it experiences a mechanical force whose direction is given by Fleming's left hand rule. The magnitude of the force experienced by the conductor is given by F equals to BIL sin theta, where F denotes the force in Newton, B denotes the maximum flux density in Web per meter square, I denotes the current in ampere, L denotes the length of conductor in meter, theta denotes the angle between position of conductor and direction of magnetic field. When conductor and magnetic field are mutually perpendicular, force produced on the conductor is maximum when theta equals to 90 degrees. When conductor and magnetic field is parallel, force produced on the conductor is 0 if theta equals to 0 degrees. It is the DC motor diagram. When DC supply is given to the motor, a direct current passes through brushes, commutator and armature winding. When electric current passes through a coil in magnetic field, the magnetic force produces a torque which turns the DC motor. When it passes through commutator, it converts DC into AC. Therefore, the group of conductors under the influence of a north pole and south pole carry currents in the reverse direction. In a DC motor, the stator poles are supplied by DC excitation current, which produces a DC magnetic field. The rotor is supplied by DC current through the brushes, commutator and coils. The attraction of the magnetic field and rotor current generates a force that drives the motor. The magnetic field lines enter into the rotor from the north pole and they exist toward the south pole. The poles generate a magnetic field that is perpendicular to the current carrying conductors. The attraction between the field and the current produces a Lorentz force. The force is perpendicular to both the magnetic field and conductor. The two-pole DC motor is shown in figure C. Let the current in the armature conductors be outward under the influence of north pole shown by dots and inwards under the influence of south pole shown by crosses. As shown in figure, the field is strengthened above the conductor and weakened below, thus tending to move the conductor downwards. This is the basic principle of operation of the electric motor. Outward under the influence of north pole and inward under the influence of south pole. The direction of force on each conductor can be determined by applying Fleming's left hand rule. Fleming's left hand rule. If we stretch the first finger, that means index, and second finger, middle, and thumb of your left hand to be perpendicular to each other, and the direction of magnetic field is represented by first finger, that means index. Direction of the current is represented by the second finger, that means middle. Then the thumb represents the direction of the force experienced by the current carrying conductor. Thumb indicates the force and index indicates the magnetic field and middle finger indicates the current. These forces collectively produces a driving torque, resulting armature rotates in the anti-clockwise direction. When the rotor rotates, there is always an equal and opposite torque on the stator. That is why it is very important to bolt a motor securely. Commutator is made segmented to achieve an indirect torque. Otherwise, the direction of force would have reversed every time when the direction of movement of conductor is reversed in the magnetic field. Thank you.